there you go.
It's igniting.
I know there's a place to be and not to be. It's moving around. Right now. We're going right now, yeah. You want these up or down? Does it matter? These pan things? Nobody's here now, so I'm not going to worry about it. So the sun's in an okay place, you can deal with it? Yeah, you can do whatever you want. The wind's barely anything. Very nice. Perfect sky right now. You're good. Go a little higher around the sun. There you go. Looks like the gear went in this time.
I adjusted it.
Okay. Woo! That's reasonably quick.
Way up in stratosphere.
Yeah, you're way the hell up there. You see it okay?
That thing just went so fast.
Yeah.
So I had to cut the power all the time. It's not like EDS.
No, you gotta pull back. Woo! Yeah, that's moving pretty good. Start turning though, there you go. Stop talking to me now. It does sound really good. The wind has switched, so now it's kind of blowing down the runway from the left. but I think you can land okay and just hit the brakes. You may want to do a practice approach just to be safe. I think you'll be okay. I think you'll be all right. Do your gear pass. Yeah, you do a little more pass so I can make sure all of them are. There you go. Yeah. You're good. All 3 down. Okay, you all good? So just get low, low, low because you've got a tailwind now. There you go, perfect. And then just get ready for those brakes. You may want to go the other way. Or is that going to be too hard? Huh? There you go, you're good. There you go. Okay. No. I really think you should come the other way. We'll try one more, but be prepared to set it down. I don't want you to run out of fuel.
I'm running out of fuel.
Yeah. You'll be okay. Just chill. Go a good ways out. And then let's line it up. Keep the nose down and turn. Okay, come on, turn back this way. Throttle up a little bit. There you go. Okay, perfect. Keep that nose down. There you go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You ready for the brakes? There you go. Brakes. There you go. Good job. Didn't let the nerves bother you. Good. It is. I know. I told you.
If it's hard, I'm fine.
Oh, I know. And believe it or not, there's runoff too. There's a turf at the end.
That was a perfect lap. That was good.
Very good. Hey, no worries. Good job.
Woo, that was little hot.
But hey,
But it didn't bounce, didn't do anything.
no. That was good. He's gonna take off, but
I have more fuel.
yeah, you're good. It's always better to come down early.